You are rude. That was a motorcycle passing by. Hey guys, it's your girl Senior D here, and welcome back to my channel. So obviously you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be my Boxy Charm unboxing for the month of October. So if you guys haven't seen some of these videos going around, obviously there are a lot of changes that are coming up new for Boxy Charm. And I think it's because they're trying to compete with Ipsy and how Ipsy has stepped up their game. So I will be excited to see what happens in the future. So what I want to do for you guys is show you guys what I got in my Boxy Charm and then talk to you a little bit more in depth about what's going on so you guys know what is the tea on Boxy Charm and everything like that. So if you guys love in videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl, Senior D. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so this is my Boxy Charm for the month of October. Obviously, this is the typical packaging that it comes in, this cute little black box. So we get our card right here for you that tells you what is going on with Boxy Charm and what is new. So obviously introducing the bigger Boxy Charm Premium. So Boxy Charm is doing a premium box which will value over $175, which is for $35. So currently the box that I pay for right now is $21, but coming up soon, which they're saying right here, is introducing Boxy Charm 2.0. So better customizing, more choices. So the value of your box will have, you'll receive 5 beauty products with a worth of over $125 for only $25 per month starting on November 1st. So I already subscribe to Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus, which I'm guessing this is what they're trying to do in the sense of it all, because the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25, and that one already comes and guarantees you 5 full-size products no matter what. And what Boxy Charm has been doing by paying $21, they guarantee you at least like 3 or 4 full-size products, and the other ones are probably about like what's the other size? It's like the deluxe sizes for like deluxe travel size. That's what I'm looking for, deluxe travel size. So now they're guaranteeing you 5 full-size products for $25, and you're guaranteed to get 5 beauty products. Obviously, they're going to come up with some customization, receiving foundations and concealer products that match your skin tones, swatching the different shades of the complexion, and then being able to choose that for the following box. And then your choices are now easier for charmers. You get a chance to choose every single month. During the choice window, you get to choose one specific product to receive in your Boxy Charm, your Boxy Luxe subscription. And if you have a Boxy Luxe subscription, which is the really big one, you'll be able to choose between 1 to 3 products for that next one. And then you'll also have the choice for add-ons, which Ipsy already does all the time. Right before your box comes out, you either get to choose to add some add-ons into your box. You also get some more customization, which Ipsy is actually doing themselves as well, along with a Boxy Charm, so that we are getting actual like true matches. I actually just took a quiz the other day talking with Ipsy for my box that's coming in November, where they asked me a few different questions about my foundation and about my concealer, and actually me going over certain products of ones that I currently use right now. So like it asked me about a foundation in which I chose Believe Beauty, and I chose Soft Beige, which is my foundation I'm currently using right now. And also, if you haven't seen my review video for that, I will list that right here for you guys. But then again, it also asked me about my concealers and, you know, which concealer am I using now and what's my perfect match. So I'm guessing that's what Boxy Charm is going to be doing as well, which is really cool and exciting that they're doing more customization so that we're actually getting things that match us compared to things that they think that match us. So really, really perfect. Love that so much. And then obviously the add-ons are going to be really cool. So I don't know what the exact price is. There's amazing prices between $3 to $18. Ipsy already does that now, where you can do add-ons for $5. You can do add-ons for $15. And I just saw recently that if you do the big one and you want to get like one of the small bags to give away, or other items or even a whole completely another box, you have an option to get another box as well, which is so crazy. But yeah, and then coming up as well, Boxy Charm will have Boxy pop-ups with enjoyable makeup, skincare, and lifestyle products up to 80% off the next Boxy pop-up in November. So obviously those are probably going to be in bigger cities such as Los Angeles or New York or something like that. So I mean, those will be convenient for people that live in that area, but for people like me that live in the Midwest in Indiana, I guess it really doesn't mean anything to me unless I'm in that area and I'm traveling, but whatever, kind of cool. So yep, that's what's new, what is coming for Boxy Charm. So enough rambling, let's go ahead and just get on into what the products I have. So the theme for this is After Dark. So I'm guessing it's more or less of whether prepping yourself for the nighttime, whether it's going out or prepping yourself to go to sleep and end the night on a good term. So I've got 5 different products in here. I will talk about the prices and then we'll just add it all up at the end. So the first item I have in here is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. This is in Pretty Cool. So it has a few different smoky tones that are in there. You got Smoke Show, Fine Print, Sign Off, Let's Chill, and Taupeless. And this is what it says that all the colors look like right there for you. I'll open up the packaging. As I was already looking at some of the reviews of this, because I think, oh my god, Paige Corin did a Instagram review of Dose of Colors of all of these different eyeshadow palettes and some of the products, because I'll shade a PR package from them. I think this is really pretty. It's all matte, and I think that's what their concept is for all of these. So, I mean, I think it's extremely pretty, but it's not something I would gravitate and use every single day, because I have other palettes that kind of have incorporated these types of colors in there, which, like, a comparable one I would tell for you guys, which is, like, pretty cool, would be this one that I use almost every single day, and this is Made for Matte, and this is the e.l.f. palette. This is $10 compared to the price of this is $32, and if you can't tell, they're about the same shape. So if you want something that's drugstore related, that you can get some really cool tone colors and that are great for mattes, go ahead and pick this up at your local drugstore, whether it be Walgreens or Walmart, whatever it may be. $10 palette or $8, sometimes you can find it other places. Good deal instead of spending $32 on this. So I think I'm just going to put this in the back burner and just throw this in the drawer and possibly give it away in a future giveaway, or to a family member or a friend, whatever may be in the future. So $32 for that. The next item in my box, like I talked about After Dark, probably winding down, are these Go-To Beauty Aloe sheet masks. Sheet masks are inevitable in a lot of subscriptions, which I used to get all the time in my Ipsy bags, or even now my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and occasionally sometimes I get them in Boxy Charm. I have a drawer full of sheet masks that are back here that I've slowly just started giving away because I have so many and I just can't keep up with them in my drawer. But the price for these are $19.98 for the 2-pack for these together. So it's about 20 bucks right there. So that's kind of cool, but again, I'll probably just tuck those in a drawer and use them when I feel like it, or take these on with me on vacation because I leave for Cancun coming up here shortly. So that'll be really fun to take with me. The next item I have in here, so this will be my third item in the box. This is going to be the Mellow Tint Brow Gel, and they gave me this color in light brown. Do I look like I have a light brown eyebrows? Negative, ghostwriter. I do not have light brown eyebrows. I will probably keep this though. I probably won't use this. I do makeup occasionally for weddings and for photo shoots and for other things on the side, and it's always good to have a variety of extra products in different colors. So yeah, I'm not going to exactly open this right now because I don't want to open it in case I'm not going to use it anytime soon. But yeah, this is definitely a brow gel, tinted brow gel in light brown, which is not my color match, which I'm hoping they'll do better at customization. I have taken the quiz. Maybe I might need to go back into it, but I know I definitely put that my eyebrows are dark brown and that I normally have dark brown hair. I might have a little bit of blonde in my hair, but I still have dark brown eyebrows. But the price for this from Mellow is $16. And then the next product in here is by Hank and Henry. This is the Slick With It mascara duo. So it's a slick mascara with major clout currently, apparently. It's vegan mascara that is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The duo wand applicator design to work with our formula to add volume and length to your top lashes, with the other thin side designed for easily adding mascara to your lower lashes. So I actually already did use this and applied this to my eyes, in which I will have somewhere a video playing so you guys can see me applying it. I am gonna be honest, I'm not really a big fan of it. The formula really isn't very voluminous like it says it is. I even curled my eyelashes to try and give it a little bit of extra help. I just wasn't a big fan of the wand or the formula. It's just not something I really will gravitate towards. So there are way more better mascaras out there that are in the drugstore that are way better than average. So again, for $16, I don't think it's really worth it. Now I do have some other Hank and Henry products that I do like their lip products. Those are great. But as for this, not really that big of a fan of it. So I might just either give it away to someone or keep it for when I want more of natural days, I guess. So there's that. And then the last product we have, I guess I left it outside of my box because I was going to use it. And this was actually the product I was the most excited about. This is the Iconic London. You are rude. That was a motorcycle passing by. Anyways, so this is the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow Spray. This I've heard so much hype about. I know they sell Iconic London in Morphe stores, and I wish there was a Morphe store in Indiana. That would be great, whether it was in Indianapolis, because the nearest Morphe store is all the way in Illinois and Chicago. So yeah, but still really good product. I have already tried this once. So this is your Prep Set and Glow Hydrating Mist, refreshing for light reflecting properties that leave the skin with an iconic glow. The stunning multiple use spray can be used to prep your skin before applying your makeup, setting a finishing look, or adding a radiant glow to your bare face and body with extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, and 100% vegan. Wander Spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. So this is just beautiful. Can you just see how amazing that is? There are a lot of companies that are trying to come out with sprays like this. I mean, it's been a trend since summer. You've seen Fenty do it. You've seen Huda Beauty do it. You've seen Iconic London do it. Makeup Revolution. Like, everyone is trying to come out with body sprays or sprays that that just give your body a radiant glow. So face a spray and see what happens. Alright, so that is my face. Oops, I almost dropped that. So that is my face set with the Iconic London setting spray and towel. So yeah, so there is all 5 items that I got. So again, I got the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, which is $32. The Iconic London Prep and Set, which is $29. I got the Hank and Henry Slick Mascara Duo, which I'm not really a big fan of, for $19. The Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, which isn't in my color, but for $16. And then the Go-To Beauty Sheet Mask of 2 for $19.98. So that comes to a grand total of $115.98. So again, the box is valued under $125. So obviously in November, the box should be worth more. So here is my question to you guys. Should I opt and get the bigger box, which is going to be the beauty box, which is worth over $175 for $35, which is only going to be $10 more. I don't know how many more products that's going to have in it, but I'm curious to try it at least once, and I can always change my subscription back to this one. And then I don't know, because I just want to see if there's going to be a huge difference between Ipsy and BoxyCharm, if they're going to be comparable. So I actually am getting my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus later today because I get shipped to my parents' house, so I can go see them and get my mail every once in a while. So I'm excited to see what products in that, because I haven't peeked whatsoever. I've been really wanting to, but I've been wanting to save it so I can film it for you guys. So there's actually a first, you know, impression, first reaction, all of the above. So let me know your comments down below what your thoughts are. Also, just to let you guys know, if you guys love unboxings like this, I recently just did my mystery box unboxing for Jeffree Star Cosmetics for Halloween, and there is a giveaway going on in that video. So again, don't forget to check that out. I'll leave a link right here for you guys so you guys can go to it and possibly enter. I love you guys so much for your love and support. Again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And don't forget to check out my social medias, which I'll list for you guys right here and somewhere in the description box down below. So again, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, I love you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.